स्मार्ट सिटी कंत्राटदारांक जारी केल्ली कारण दाखोवपी नोटीस कमिशन घेवपाची भाजप सरकाराची चाल आसा। ही सगळी फक्त फकाणां नाटकां म्हूण आरोप टीएमसीचे राष्ट्रीय म्हणणारे ट्रॉजन डिमेलोन हांणी केला। RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
There are news reports which says from the commissioner of the CCP and who is a part of the smart city saying that show cause notices has been issued, 4 show cause notices or 5 show cause notices to 4 contractors. Now what are the show cause notices? One is regarding the head office, one is regarding some laboratory, one is regarding some sump, one is regarding supply, water supply. The question is, no show cause notice has been issued to the entire disaster that has happened in Panjim as far as the commuter is concerned, as far as the pedestrians are concerned, as far as the citizens of Panjim are concerned, who are suffering the misery of flood water entering their houses. Roads are sinking, cars are not sure which side to go. And the whole impression is being given that the CCP, the commissioner, is taking action against this disaster. This says no show cause notice is issued as far as the Panjim roads and the entire flooding that has taken place. No, this whole issue of issuing show cause notice to the contractors of some head office, some laboratory, in my opinion, is nothing but a drama baji and a very tactful way of drawing commissions which the BJP government is famous for, where even it is on record where BJP governments were asking for commission, contractors have suicide. So let us not bluff the people of Panjim. The show cause notice has got nothing to do with the entire disaster that has been created in Panjim roads today.